Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, we'll be talking about the top 5 deep conditioners that you're gonna need for this winter. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified for whenever I upload a new video. Lego. Okay, so as you guys all know, it's winter time. It's officially winter. What was the day? The first day of winter was December 21st. So around this time, my hair is naturally dry. My hair is overall naturally dry in the summertime and in winter, but it's extra crispy, crunchy, brittle in the winter time. So I just wanted to share with you guys the top 5 deep conditioners that I use to restore moisture back into my hair. So at number 1, or should I go backwards? Should I do 5 to 1 or 1 to 5? Let's do 5. So number 5 is the TGIN Thank God It's Natural Honey Miracle Mask. And this is it right here. This is what the packaging looks like. I love this because of the honey, of course. I've mentioned this in a few videos already before, so if you want more information on this particular mask, then I'll leave it in the cards above. But I love this because it has the honey in it, and my hair loves some honey. Honey is really good for your hair, especially when it's dry and brittle, okay? At number 4, I have here the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. I've been using this for quite some time and I actually really like it. It does keep my hair nice and moisturized after applying it to my hair. So this is why I like it and put it a part of my winter hair care regimen. And I go between all of these deep conditioners whenever it's wash day. So yeah, I really like this stuff. I think my favorite part about this mask is the Moroccan clay. It's like a clay mask, but not in clay form. It's just a creamy consistency, but you apply this to your hair and you sit under the dryer, grab that moisture to your hair, and you're good to go. So I really like this a lot. And this is very affordable, you guys. Head to your local Dollar General, I think, and it's like $5 or less than $5, one or the other, but it's really good to have during the winter time. So I would go get one, okay? Coming in at number 3 is my all-time favorites. I'm gonna give y'all a second to see if y'all can guess what it is. You ain't guess it right? Okay. Well, coming at number 3 is my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I love this deep conditioner all year round. I love it in the wintertime. I love it in the summertime. It doesn't really matter what time it is, but I really do like this deep treatment mask. The only thing I hate is that I could only get like 2 deep treatments from this, 2 or 3, or like I could make it to 3, but I can't make it to 4. Like I have some in here, but I have to buy another bottle or another jar to finish the rest of this one. Did that even make sense? Y'all get what I'm trying to say. I need another bottle to be able to finish this, okay? But yeah, I love this a lot because of the shea butters that are in here and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is very good for anybody with very thick and coarse hair. So taking out the 4Cs and the type 4s and all of that, if your hair is extremely thick, then you're gonna want castor oil and shea butter in the mix. And I really like this. I love applying this to my hair and after applying it, going under the dryer. Most of all these conditioners I do go under the dryer, especially to retain some moisture, because like I said before, my hair is naturally dry. So if you haven't tried this already, go ahead and pick it up. Or if you haven't tried the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, you should try it out. I actually need to get the shampoo again because that's like one of my favorites. But anywho, on to the next. Coming in at number 2 is one of my favorites. I've been using this for a while, for some years now. This is the Alikay Naturals Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. And y'all, and I really like this stuff. It smells literally like herbs, like you're putting herbs in your hair. I really like this. Sitting under the dryer with this bad boy on, your curls will be popping. Okay, I really like this because it retains moisture. This also too has honey, babasu oil, and sage, all great things that are good for your hair, especially in the winter time, especially when it's dry and brittle. I love this. The honey pulls moisture from the air and locks it in to each strand for ultimate moisture replenishment and retention. See, this is why I like honey. Okay, so this is coming in at number 2. And coming at number 1, I'm going to mention 2 in the number 1 category because they're from the same brand. But coming in at number 1 is the Natural Fresh Avocado Deep Conditioner Mask. Love, love, love. I love how they have a deep conditioner for any type of hair, whether your hair is dry, whether it's brittle, damaged. They have a solution for you. And then my other favorite from the same Natural line that they just came out with is the Aloe Avocado Sensitive Scalp Deep Conditioner Mask, or just deep conditioner. Love that stuff. Recently just tried it. I'll leave it in the cards above so you guys can get the whole spiel on that product. But I really do love the Natural Avocado Deep Conditioners. I love them so very much. They are perfect for this season of dryness, okay? Grab you some. But that pretty much sums up this video of my top 5 deep conditioners for the winter time. I'm taking winter time very seriously when it comes to my hair because I definitely want to see a lot and lots of growth in 2020 because I feel like my hair has kind of been the same length for the past maybe 3 years or a bit shorter than what it is now. So I'm taking much care of my hair with these deep conditioner masks, applying heat with all of these masks. So yeah, I do have a few more conditioners that I am going to be trying in this year of 2020. I'm super excited. And that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified for whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. At number 4, dang, that's a hard one. Okay. It's too doggone hard. And coming in at number 1 is the Natural right. One video down.